everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're getting the app not installed error while trying to install an app on your Android phone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple ways to fix it. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. First, start by making sure you have enough free space for the app. For that, go to Settings. Scroll down and find this option called Storage. I'm guessing mine is hidden under Device Care. And look for free space. If storage is low, delete some files or apps you don't need. Second is check app source. If you're installing from Google Play Store, make sure your internet is stable. If it's an APK form, confirm it matches your phone's architecture and Android version. You can also try enabling unknown sources for APKs. For that, go to Settings and find this option called Security and Privacy and tap on it. Scroll down and go to More Security Settings. Here you just need to locate this option called Install Unknown Apps. Okay, here it is. And enable Install Unknown Apps for the app you are using to install, like Chrome or File Manager. And also consider rebooting your phone because sometimes a small restart clears temporary glitches. And that's it. Try these methods and you should be able to fix the app not installed error on your Android phone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.